How to post Snapstreak as story. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat app. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom you're going to find the fin icons. Click on the chat icon. With that you will land to the conversation page. Now from here head towards the profile of the person whose Snapstreak you want to put as the story. Once you land to the profile page of the person, just scroll down. Here you're going to find this section of charms, and under that you'll find different options. Head towards the option of Snapstreak, click on it, and you'll find the streak number. What you have to do is take this screenshot. After you have taken this screenshot, you can head back to your profile page. Now here you'll find the section of my stories. Click on the option of add to my story. With that, your snaps will open up, but you have to head towards the camera roll section. And over there you will be able to find the taken screenshot. You have to select that screenshot. Now you can click on this arrow icon. Then you can again click on this arrow icon. With that, this streak will be uploaded in your story. So this way you can easily put Snapstreak as story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.